Next question. Best time to buy and sell stock 2. So we have done 7 so far. Now this is a medium, so it's gonna be hard. Okay, no problem. We still have this prices list. You can only hold at most 1 share of the stock at any time. You can buy it and immediately sell it on the same day. Wait, I'm not sure I understand this. Okay, buy on day 2, sell on day 3. Profit is 4. Oh, then buy on day 4 and sell on day 5. So, okay, I see. On each day, you may decide to buy. Each day you can buy or sell. Oh, I see. At most 1 at any time, so you are not able to say buy here, sell there, and at the same time buy here and sell there, and buy here and sell there, because that will be holding more than 1 share. Okay, so you can at most hold 1 share. You can buy it and sell it on the same day. You can buy it and immediately sell it on the same day. Well, I'm not sure I understand this. If I buy it and sell it on the same day, there will be no profit because we're only giving 1 price for each day. I guess what they want to say is we can buy it and then sell it later. So we're buying at 1, selling at 5, and then we buy at 3, sell at 6. So before, for the last problem, we can only buy it once and sell it once. Now we are able to buy and sell how many times we want. Okay, still not sure what this is referring to. So buy at 1 and sell at 5, that would be the same profit as if we had bought at 1, sold at 2, and then bought at 2, sold at 3. So 1 profit here, 1, 1, 1, 1. So I guess what I want to say is you can sell it and then immediately buy it on the same day, because there's really no okay, what's the point of buying it and selling it on the same day, because that's no profit in this little environment. Okay, let's just interpret it that way and see. So the max profit now will be the sum of all the individual profits we can make along the way. So does that mean that every time, so if we had plotted this in a graph, so we start from 7, then we go to 1, and then every time we are going up 1 to 5, we want to do a best sell until it no longer goes up. So if we had 1, 2, 3, 5 here, we will be buying at 1 and selling at 5. Let's see, what if we had, that'll be 1, 1, 2, that'll be exactly the same profit as 5 minus 1. If we had 2, 1, 1, 2, okay. So now it's going up to 5, now it's turning down, so we wanna sell at the high point, and now we have a low point again. We wanna buy and then sell at the high point, and then okay, so current hypothesis is that we will be buying at low point and selling at the highest point before turning low again. Okay, that's what I'm thinking right now. So let's say if we had 4 here, so we're buying at 1, selling at 5, and we see 4, which is lower than 5, we can then set the current buy price at 4. Then we see even lower, then we replace the 4 with 3, because there won't be any profit being made here. So we just need to find the lowest point until it turns. And then same here. So this is lowest, highest, lowest, highest, and we are taking those profit points. All right, let's code this. Max profit buy price. Let's start from the first one, and then we traverse from the second element until the last. If current price is lower than buy price, so 1 is lower, or I guess we can just do buy price is the minimum of the buy price and current price. And what about current profit? See, well, I guess we could consider it this way. If it's going downward, if this is going down, then we're just looking for the lowest buy price, and when it's going up, we just want to traverse until we reach the high point before turning again. So right now we are going downwards, and our max profit is actually max profit. Now the max profit is actually a sum of those low high points. Okay, so how do we do this? Current profit. Current profit is current price minus buy price. Which is 0. Okay, what happens in the next round? We have 2. So buy price is still the same 1. Current profit is 1. Okay, next time we have 3. Buy price is the same. Current profit is not 2. Now we have 5. Buy price the same. Current profit is 4. Okay, now we have the crucial turning point here. Okay, if so when we are here, this is where we need to record that temporary profit 5 minus 1. So if when we are here, okay, have a new, okay, new. So if okay, so let's think this way. So if all the way here we have price higher than the last price, that means we are going upwards. Now what do we do there? We are not updating buy price. We are updating current profit. And then now we have going downwards. What do we do there? We have max profit should be adding that, and we have buy price is the current price. So here buy price will be 4, and the next round next round buy price will be 3, but we are not gonna add this up again. So this only happens the first time it turns. Okay, this seems silly, but what if we do as if current price is bigger than the last price, and it's oh, this is gonna be a problem with the index out of range. And it's also okay, it's not a good idea. Let's go back. Okay, so when we are at 5, we are still doing this. Now we are at 4. Next profit. If this cannot be correct, but let's say this. Okay, if we are at 4, if this is bigger than that, then we have this little local high. That's when we put this current profit into max profit. And when we are at 3, this is not a local high, so that will not be added there, but we are still updating buy price. Okay, then we are at 5. It's bigger than the last one, so current profit is 2. Then we are at 6. Current profit is 3. And then we're at 4. We have this little situation of local high, so we put in that max profit and we update by price. So let's see, when would this be indexed out of range? If the first round we have I is 1. If this element is smaller, okay, so that's what I'm thinking so far. Let's run this. Okay, wrong answer. Interesting. Let's go over this first example. So we have one is smaller. Buy price is now 1. Okay, next one we have 5. 5 is bigger than 1, so current profit is 4. Okay, next we have 3. 3 is smaller than 5, so we go 3 smaller, and 5 is bigger than 1, so we have max profit would be that plus current profit 4, so max profit is now 4, and buy price is now, oh I see, minimum buy price. We are not, so in that case we're not doing any minimum buy price, we are actually just taking the current price in. So at this local high point we are just taking the current price, but if it's not, then we can't. Then we can go to this updating mean price. Okay, that's solved for the first case. Let's see second case. What's wrong with the second case? Because because we did not have that local low, high, low point, so that was never registered. So if this is a local, or if I is equal to the last one, weird that if this error didn't occur earlier. That's weird. It should have occurred before I added that as well. Okay. Okay, so we have one. First buy price is 1. Then we have 2. Oh no, we start with 2. So current buy price is 1. We start with I is equal to 1, so we have 2. It's bigger than that. Oh, I see. So if it's the last element, we want to do this. Well, basically we want to put it in here, but then I need to refactor this. Let's just verify if the logic is correct first. If it's the last element, then we want to do that. So that's logic. We need to refactor this. Let's see if this... Oh, I forgot to start the timer again. Wrong answer, but most of them were correct. Interesting. Oh, I see. Okay, so there is something still about the last element part. Okay, so if it's the last element, so we have 6. Now we have smaller. Just updating by price. Now if it's the last one, current profit. Is it because I did not update current profit? Current profit is either 0 or prices minus by price. Oh, still incorrect. Okay, let's go over it. So this is smaller. Buy price is now 4. Current profit would be 0. And the next round we have buy price Why is this? Let me just print this. It seems like we're so close though. It seems like we can make it. Console. Oh wait. Oh, it didn't even print anything, so it didn't even come here. That's weird. Is it not showing me console? So 1, 7. First it comes here, current profit is 6. Then next one 4, it comes in here. We have a bit of local. Okay, we have a local high, so this is satisfied. So max profit is updated to be 6 and buy price is now updated to be 4. Next we have 2. Oh, I see, it's because this current profit was not updated. Okay, so that logic is correct. That's good. Let's refactor this because it's such a mess right now. Very much redundant everywhere. So let's see. We have max profit, buy price, and current profit. So if price is going up, if profit is going up, we update current profit. If it's the last element, we wanna sum that into our max profit. Alright, let's see if we can refactor this part somehow, because they are both gonna do this. So this needs to happen after this, after calculating current profit. And we can now move this outside because we actually need to record the last current profit before we calculate the current profit. If I'm actually not seeing how I could refactor this, but I'm very much sure that it could be refactored. Okay, let me try for another 2 minutes, then we can move on. Okay, so I'm not able to think of a way to refactor this because of the logic involved, so we will just have to look at other people's smart ideas. I'm still okay with the solution. Let's do time and space complexity analysis. So we have this for loop that goes through all elements. It's traversing everything just once. One traversal and calculating along the way. Yep, so nothing complicated going on. It will be linear time, and we are using some constant number of variables, no data structure here. Okay, so linear time, constant space, that's pretty good. That's as good as it gets. No follow-up questions. All right, let's look at some solutions. Well, we know the algorithm makes sense. It's working. Let's see the code. If next price is smaller than current price, okay. Then if it's going downwards, we put the buy price to be current price. Okay. If next price is bigger, if it's going upward, then we wanna put current price to be the sell price. Okay. The profit is sell minus buy, and then add it to the last one. Wow, that is some brilliant idea. Alright, let's try to process this. So if it's going downward, okay, in this case it's going next price is smaller than current price, then buy price is 7, and now it's going upward. Sell price is 1. Okay, isn't that negative? Oh, wow. Oh, okay, I see. Okay, so let's see. Wow, so while it's going downwards, we will continue to set the buy price to be this new lower price. So buy price is 7. Okay, then we do this part. While it's increasing, we will continue to set the sell price to be higher. So here, I'm standing here. 5 is bigger than 3, sell price is 3. But what about when we are here then? Prices. So this one is no longer. So we now have a buy price at 7 and sell price at 3. Isn't that kind of... Oh, I see. It's because it's already incremented before we get out of the loop. So actually the buy price is 1 and sell price is 5. I see. And then we're going downward again. So we are in here, and we are gonna go and grab this buy price. Okay, so we got this buy at 1, sell at 5, and then we got buy at 3 and sell at 6. So this helps us. This basically finds that local low, because it's gonna go until it turns. So until the next one is no longer smaller, which is here. Next one's no longer smaller. Then we put that local low as buy price, and then same logic with finding the local high, and then local low, local high. Then each time we find a pair of low and high, we put that into profit. And this also solves this edge case, which I had to deal with here. Very smart indeed. Okay, very smart. I'm gonna look at some. Okay, let's look at another solution. Let's see if we have more. Dynamic programming and greedy. Wow. Okay, I need more time to think about this. So let's stop here. I will look at more. This video is already long. I'm gonna try to keep it shorter. So I'm glad I solved it, even though it's not the optimal solution. At least the logic works, which is finding this local low and local high. So I'll see you in the next one.